How to make money as a freelancer in 2023. Have you ever imagined a life where you're your own boss, work on your own terms, and where your income potential is directly tied to your effort and skill? Welcome to the world of freelancing, the modern-day gold rush. In this video, we will delve into the lucrative realm of freelancing, exploring how to identify your sellable skills, how to price your services, how to attract and retain clients, and how to manage your financial success. And if you stick around until the end, we've got some exclusive cutting-edge strategies that have been proven to supercharge the earnings of freelancers in 2023. This is not just a freelancing guide, this is your roadmap to freedom and financial independence. So let's get started. Section 1. Understanding freelancing. Freelancing is a form of self-employment where an individual provides services to a client on a per-project basis. Freelancers could be writers, designers, programmers, marketing experts, consultants, and many others. In the age of digital technology, freelancing has seen significant growth, becoming a lucrative source of income for many. In 2023, the dynamics of freelancing have evolved. With the rise of remote work, the demand for freelancers is higher than ever before. Moreover, with the continuous improvement of platforms connecting freelancers with clients, and advancements in financial technology making payments smoother, freelancing has become more viable and attractive. It's important to remember that freelancing doesn't equate to a lack of structure. On the contrary, it requires a heightened level of self-discipline and organizational skill. Successful freelancers in 2023 know how to manage their time effectively, set clear work schedules, and maintain a work-life balance. They also adapt to varying workflows, with periods of high demand interspersed with quieter times. The ability to handle such ebb and flow is crucial to sustaining a profitable freelancing career. Section 2. Identifying your skills. The first step to making money as a freelancer is identifying your marketable skills. You must take inventory of the skills you possess, which can provide value to others. These could be hard skills such as graphic design, coding, or copywriting, or soft skills such as project management or consultancy. Remember, what you consider an everyday skill could be invaluable to someone else. In 2023, some of the most in-demand freelancing skills are in the field of IT, digital marketing, writing, and design. However, the demand for unique and niche skills is on the rise, giving you the opportunity to carve a niche for yourself. In addition to identifying your skills, you must continuously strive to hone and upgrade them. In the rapidly evolving landscape of 2023, skills get outdated quickly. Hence, constant learning and adaptation are key to staying relevant and competitive. Online learning platforms, webinars, podcasts, and industry-related blogs are valuable resources to help you keep pace with the latest trends and developments in your field. Section 3. Setting your rate. Setting your rate as a freelancer can be a challenge. Remember, the rate you set will reflect the value you bring to your clients. Pricing too low may undermine your abilities, while pricing too high may deter potential clients. The trick here is to strike a balance. Research the market rates for your skills and consider factors such as your level of expertise, the complexity of the task, and the time it takes to complete a project. In 2023, freelancers are increasingly charging based on value-based pricing rather than an hourly rate, which tends to be a more accurate reflection of the worth of their services. Beyond setting your rate, it's important to review and revise your pricing periodically. The market dynamics of 2023 are fast-paced, with economic fluctuations, inflation, and changing industry standards. As your experience grows, and as the value you provide to your clients increases, your rates should reflect this growth. Regular rate review ensures that your pricing remains competitive and commensurate with your worth. Section 4. Building your portfolio. To make money as a freelancer, it's crucial to have a strong portfolio showcasing your work. A portfolio gives potential clients a sense of your skills, creativity, and experience. Be sure to include your best work, diverse projects, and testimonials if available. In 2023, it's not enough to just have a portfolio. It must be digital and easily accessible. This could be a personal website, a profile on a freelancing platform, or a social media account dedicated to showcasing your work. Another aspect of building a strong portfolio in 2023 is maintaining its freshness. Update your portfolio regularly with recent projects, showcasing your evolving skills and expertise. Additionally, tailor your portfolio to your target clients. Highlight projects that are most relevant to the kind of work you're seeing. A curated, up-to-date portfolio not only displays your competence, but also exhibits your commitment to your craft. Section 5. Finding clients. There are several ways to find clients as a freelancer in 2023. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com connect freelancers with potential clients. However, these platforms are competitive, and it might take time to land your first client. Networking is another key strategy for finding clients. Connect with industry professionals on platforms like LinkedIn. Attend industry conferences or virtual events, and let your existing network know about your freelancing venture. Cold pitching, though intimidating, can also be a great way to secure clients. Identify businesses or individuals who could benefit from your services and reach out to them with a tailored proposal. Besides traditional client sourcing methods, 2023 has opened up newer avenues like social media and content marketing. Creating high-quality, relevant content can establish you as an authority in your field, attract potential clients, and encourage them to reach out to you. Regularly sharing insightful content on platforms like LinkedIn, Medium, or your personal blog can significantly boost your visibility and credibility in your niche. Section 6. Delivering quality work. To make money as a freelancer, it's not just about finding clients, but also about retaining them. This can be achieved by delivering consistent, high-quality work. Go beyond delivering what's expected and provide exceptional value to your clients. Remember, in the freelancing world, your reputation is everything. Positive client testimonials, word-of-mouth referrals, and repeat business can be far more valuable than a one-off high-paying project. 2023's competitive freelance market calls for value addition beyond delivering quality work. Provide excellent customer service by being responsive, communicative, and reliable. Understand your clients' objectives and align your services to help them achieve their goals. Proactively seek feedback and make improvements based on it. These practices not only increase client satisfaction, but also elevate your reputation as a freelancer. Section 7. Managing your finances. Finally, successful freelancing requires adept financial management. This includes accurate record keeping, regular invoicing, and keeping track of expenses for tax purposes. As a freelancer in 2023, various financial management tools and apps are at your disposal to streamline these processes. Ensure you put aside a portion of your earnings for taxes and consider setting up a savings plan for periods of less work. Remember, freelancing income can be unpredictable, so financial stability is key to long-term success. In 2023, embracing the digital revolution in finance is essential. Utilize online invoicing and payment platforms for seamless transactions. Leverage digital tools for expense tracking and tax preparation. Consider seeking advice from a financial advisor or a tax professional to ensure you're maximizing deductions and adhering to tax laws. Furthermore, think about diversifying your income sources to mitigate risks associated with unpredictable freelance income. Investing in financial assets or having a part-time job can provide additional income stability. There you have it, an in-depth guide to making money as a freelancer in 2023. The world of freelancing offers endless possibilities and the chance to turn your passion into profit. With the right skills, a solid portfolio, and a dedication to delivering value, you too can join the millions of successful freelancers worldwide. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, so take that first step today. That's all for this video. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Until next time, here's to your freelancing success.